Are you a manufacturer, a supplier, or curious about the future of Colorado industry? Then you'll want to hear about the Comp 2025, a one-day statewide expo, and it's all going down right here in Colorado Springs. Here to tell us more is Bettina and Anthony. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you both for being here.
Thanks for having us.
So I'm a little excited to learn more about this Comp 2025 and how unique it actually is to the state of Colorado, Bettina.
You got it. So Colorado Manufacturing Partners is putting on Comp 2025. It is a place for manufacturers and suppliers to be able to come and connect. And we're really wanting to create a platform to stimulate business development opportunities to further advance manufacturing across the state of Colorado. So manufacturers of all shapes and sizes are welcome here, all technologies and all verticals.
So I was like, it's businesses, but also individuals as well that you would like to see attend.
Absolutely. So the primary platform is so manufacturers and suppliers can showcase their offering to businesses and industry professionals across the state. But we are also expecting a ton of attendees at the show as well. So we are looking at anybody who is has a place in the manufacturing operation. So engineers, R&D, buyers, supply chain representatives. Certainly the commercial team is welcome here too. And what most people don't realize is that manufacturers in the state of Colorado, there's about 6,000.
Wow.
80% of them are considered small to mid-sized businesses. So you're also going to get your business owners, key decision makers, and then in terms of the C-suite, you're going to get those executives attending the show as well.
We've also got Anthony here. You're a partner of this event that's going down on October 1st at the DoubleTree in Colorado Springs. Walk me through the partnership and how it kind of has evolved into what it is now.
Yeah, we're really excited to be able to sponsor this and partner with Bettina and the Comp 2025 crew. Whipley's been working with small to medium-sized manufacturers for almost 100 years now, and we're a top 25 accounting and advisory firm. So this really fits our mission, both locally and nationally, to help manufacturers rise in the United States.
And then, Bettina, why is this event so important for the Colorado manufacturing sector, especially right now?
You bet. So all of the stars are sort of aligning, and manufacturing in Colorado is really being spotlit. So we're coming in alignment with the current administration's efforts to reshore manufacturing, but you know, that's a bit of a challenge when we're first starting that mission out. And so what we want to do is make sure that we provide a place for manufacturers and suppliers to come together to forge key connections and strategic partnerships, find clients at the city, state, and county levels so that we can already stimulate business inside the state of Colorado and then move outward.
What can attendees expect? Comp 2025 event?
You bet. So the main event is really going to be the exposition hall, so a place where they can set up, showcase their offering. And then we also have an incredible 10-speaker lineup, as I mentioned before, with critical topics around AI, cybersecurity, et cetera. So if they want to come and learn, they have a place for that. And then you mentioned earlier the workshops as well.
The hands-on workshops.
That's right. Yep. So strategic workshops, roundtables where manufacturers can come and voice their concerns and challenges. That information is then going to be taken over to the collective and key partners, trade associations. We're actually going to do something with that so that we can make Colorado a place for manufacturers where they can really thrive.
Wow, Bettina, it really sounds like it takes a whole team, a village, to put on an event like this.
It really does, and I'm so excited that Anthony with Whipley is sitting here with me today. Whipley is our executive show sponsor, and they are the ones that are really making Comp possible. So we're really excited for you guys to be a part of the show.
Yeah, we are too. It's our pleasure. And as part of this, we'd like to present a $15,000 check to the Comp 2025 team to help sponsor the effort.
Awesome. And you know what we're going to use that for, don't you? So manufacturers right now with tariffs and tight costs, some of them are really struggling to be a part of the show. So Whipley, as our executive sponsor, is really making it possible for manufacturers to be able to exhibit. So with this $15,000 check, we're not only going to be able to put on an awesome event for that day, but we're also going to be able to sponsor 10 by 10 booths for manufacturers that otherwise could not be able to attend the show.
Yes.
So I'm really excited about that one.
Wow, we love when like something big can help all the little small people too.
That's right.
Making it all happen, making it all come together.
Yep. Small businesses, big impact.
All right, so if somebody maybe wants to sponsor or maybe be an exhibit at Comp 2025, how can they go about doing that?
Yep, so just go to the website, www.comfgpartners.com. $40 online, $60 at the door. $7.99 is going to get you a booth unless you are sponsored by Whipley.
Sponsored by Whipley.
And we are almost running out of booth space, so we've actually approved overflow tables as
Yeah.
well. $2.99 will get you a table as well. Just go to the website and sign up.
Anthony, you excited for this big event on
Absolutely.
October 1st, DoubleTree,
Yep.
Colorado Springs?
We'll be there.
All right. Well, thank you both so much for being here today. Congratulations, $15,000. Congratulations if you're able to
Thank
take
you.
part of it. To learn a little bit more about Comp 2025, you can go to comfgpartners.com. And a special thank you to Colorado Manufacturing Partners for bringing us this segment.